What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to make $5,000 a month profit dropshipping on
Facebook
shops. Not marketplace, with a shop, and it involves marketplace, but anyway. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. So why am I doing this video? I've been dropshipping on Facebook for a while, right? And did I say yeah, Facebook shops. I've been dropshipping on Facebook for a while, going on 2 years now. I'm going to have Marco, who is a friend of mine. He used to work for me years ago. He left the company and started his own thing, and he's doing very well. And he's making $5,000 a month dropshipping on Facebook shops. And it's interesting what he's doing, because my strategy with Facebook Marketplace is to use Zeek Analytics, find eBay listings that are selling, find the source, use the keyword fill titles, and it takes a lot of time. But you still get 20, 30, 40% margin. What I saw Marco doing is he's selling right around $25,000 a month on Facebook shops. He's using FBM Fox. All he's actually, because and I'll have him on the channel, right? But I was talking to him yesterday, and I was like, dude, you're literally just like taking a ton of listings and putting it up and then changing the prices, and you're not dealing with a lot of retitling. And I was like, yeah. And when I looked at it, so he's selling $25,000, just about $25,000 with a 20% margin. And that's $5,000 profit. And because Facebook deposits your money like 5 days after, you don't have to have a lot of credit to get to that point. But you're going to need a Facebook shop that's activated on Marketplace, because if you simply have a Facebook shop and don't have the traffic from Marketplace, you have to drive your own traffic to the site, to the shop. So once you have a Facebook shop and there's Marketplace activated, you could list a ton of items. Some would sell, you'll delete the items that are not selling, and keep going like that. When he's on the channel, we'll go into more detail on strategy. I was asking him to teach you guys how to do it, but we don't know. Now, I now have a number of Facebook shops for sale, and they already have Marketplace activated. So if you would like to purchase one of those, just let me know in the comment section. I'll put a link to the Facebook group. You could ask for it there. And yeah, have a good one, guys. Like the video, subscribe. In the comment section, ask me whatever you want. Peace.